Hey guys, Dr. Nelson here from Trinity Orthodontics. So what I want to talk about today is I'll see if I can talk. I want to talk about tooth decay with orthodontic treatment. So when you have braces on your teeth, or you are in Invisalign treatment, it's still very important to make sure that you clean your teeth really well. And even with aligners, you have the ability to remove the aligners and brush and floss your teeth just like you would normally do without braces on. So it's obviously much more difficult to keep your teeth clean when you've got braces glued on them and things like that. But I find even with Invisalign, people are still not brushing their teeth as well as they should. And then to make matters even worse, they are drinking a lot of sugary drinks. So let's talk about what constitutes a sugary drink. So any kind of juice, even if it's vegetable juice, vegetables are just as sugary as fruit, believe it or not. So any kind of juice is not an awesome thing to be drinking during orthodontic treatment, whether you have braces on or you have Invisalign on. The sports drinks are super horrible. So Powerade, Gatorades, all of those things have super high sugar content. Juices are really bad because actually what causes decay is acid that is produced by the bacteria that grows on your teeth. So if you don't brush and floss your teeth really well, then you've got bacteria that's growing on your teeth, and it eats basically that sugar, and then it spews out acid as a byproduct of digesting the sugar. So if the juices that you're drinking have a lot of acid too, which all citrusy drinks, apple juice, believe it or not, is acidic, orange juices, lemonades, all those kind of things, those are the obvious ones that have citric acid in there. But a combination with sugar and acid can, in an unbelievably short period of time, can totally destroy your teeth. And if you're drinking those while you have your Invisalign aligners on, and then that juice, and you don't take your aligners out and rinse your mouth when you get done drinking, then you've got that stuff just sitting on your teeth, and that's just cooking there, ruining your teeth. So I just want to show you this picture. You can see right here, there is actually a big brown hole in that tooth, and that's decayed. So that's caused by bacteria being left in between these teeth for a very prolonged period of time. And I've seen stuff like this happen like in about a month or two with somebody who has a really bad diet and they're drinking a lot of sodas and juices and sports drinks. And then this white area here, and you see around here, this is the beginning of cavities. It's called hypocalcification, and you can see that on this tooth as well. And so that is actually a permanent staining in the enamel, and this is the very beginning of formation of cavities. So even if you don't end up with an actual cavity here, you can end up with these really unsightly stains on your teeth. So using good oral hygiene, so brushing your teeth, obviously flossing is super awesome. If you don't want to use dental floss, like the long floss, you gotta get it on your fingers, then buy the floss that has the little handles so you can get it between your teeth. Little teeny tiny brushes that go in between your teeth, kind of like toothpicks, those work great too. So you can try those little brushes if flossing is too difficult, because flossing, it's a challenge, I will admit that it is. And but rinsing with whitening mouth rinse that has fluoride in it is super awesome too. Most whitening mouth rinses have hydrogen peroxide or some version of hydrogen peroxide as the whitening agent. And that hydrogen peroxide can really help clean your teeth besides make them whiter. And then obviously if it has fluoride in there, then the fluoride helps reduce the chances of getting decay too. So the simple thing, brush your teeth. Flossing would be awesome. Avoid sugary drinks, juices, obviously Cokes and Sprite and all that kind of stuff. in sports drinks. A lot of people don't realize that sport drinks, that's supposed to be for your health because you're working out, right? But sport drinks usually have huge high concentrations of acid and sugar. So avoid sport drinks also. So if you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. Otherwise, have an amazing day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.